I played some Granny's. Granny chapter 4. I mean chapter 5.
Chapter 5, well, only chapter 5. Granny.
You were gonna see about that, but because Grandpa was here, I think I'm cooked.
Manang, what is this on your patterns?
I don't know, some room is pattern.
Are you
Okay. I have 5 days, but
sure?
I'm so scary.
Kulang man to.
I think I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Nag-take note ra kasi may note.
Mom, gamaron mo sa kalakera. I will gonna escape through the doors. If okay,
Lang ba?
I'm gonna escape through the doors.
Saba kay ka na kay gamay.
Mag YouTube channel ko. Kung sama ka.
Say ba oy pagkuan ay.
Grandpa's going to the bathroom. Where's he go? Maybe he's trying to check on the piece. I need to hide quick before Granny's gonna see me. Oh, I forgot about it. Grandpa's gonna see me.
Oh no. Candy die.
Grandpa's disappeared. Oh fuck. Grandpa's here. I think I'm cooked. Oh boy.
It's cooked now.
I cannot find a stun gun. Wait. I think I would. The bag! Help me! I get. Help me! I think I found a stun gun. I'm gonna kill this grandpa's ass.
Overrated, bro. Dili ko magamitan na.
Kiss
Like,
my
naman
ass,
ko yung
grandpa.
gigamit sa una, but like I forgot what app, bro.
Come on! Open the door!
One.
Open the door! Yeah. You're cooked, Granny. I'm an aim bot. I'm gonna headshot you in your ass, buddy. Chris is scaredy cat at all. I gotta find it. The security key and the security system is not activate now. I think I'm gonna still find it. Not the boat key. I need to escape. Time to bringing in this. I mean shit. I'm gonna bring this. Weapon keys. Maybe it's not cheap at all. I will go into the doors, and something's gonna getting terrible and terrible. Grandpa's gonna be respawning over right there. I need to hurry before Grandpa's gonna be cooked in his ass. Can send us a lot of. I don't know.
They killed.
Okay. Now that freak is gonna be teach me a lesson for today.
I'm 6 years old.
Where's that stun gun? I put it in right there. Oh, there's the stun gun. I'm gonna shoot this baby lady's ass. I mean that baby ladies. Baby ladies are calling me a Taco Bell. That's why they called me a punk. Come on, baby ladies. Come on. Don't be afraid. I can build stay with you. I'm gonna shoot his granny's ass. If you're not come out, baby ladies, I'm gonna shoot you. 3, 2, 1, fire! Come on. I cannot shoot him. That means this baby ladies is weird. Baby ladies. Ulam. Come on, baby. Baby ladies. I'm gonna teach you a lesson with this.
Ang
Hello,
99.
bro. Alimuot ka. Dito ka sa gawas pag sige storya ka.
Nagkuha na pa ko YouTube channel na ko. Ipa-upload na ko. YouTube channel. Grabe ka smart ni mo. Come out, Granny, where you are. Come out, Granny, where you are. I'm gonna cook your ass. Gonna cook you. If you're not come here, I will begin to shoot you. Need to hide, I need to hide. Maybe there's no one else in there. That's weird and strange. If I'm not gonna escaping this time, I think I will cook. I think I will cook. Yo, chat, I can cook. Nah, I don't have a streamer. Oh, I heard that. I heard that. I heard that. I heard that. Come on, Granny, wherever you are. If you're not believing this, I'm gonna outsmart you.
Ang ganda kaya na ni mas.
Ow! I almost hit by the grannies.
Mark, can you
Oh fuck,
send the
bitch.
topics
Bitch.
by-
I was dying, bro.
like this
I was
one,
dying, but Granny saved Grandpa. I think Granny saved Grandpa.
Yung akin ba? Please. Muka, uy. Kung kanon, pastadihon, kay dili ra ba kay nanak kasaba?
Yo, I think Granny's helped Grandpa. I think Granny helped Grandpa to shoot him to
Anak ba dili kay grabe ka.
beat.
Okay, let's
Boom! I made a mistake. 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 I'll go. I'll reload. I'll reload. That Grandpa. I made a mistake. I made a mistake in my life, but it not change. Cause Grandpa. Boom! Yeah, that's what did you get? You turn off my cocoa melon. You think you're gonna pay me, Grandpa, huh? I'm gonna dance on your pants. If you do that again, I'm gonna cook your ass.
Nalik na.
I'm gonna cook your ass, Grandpa. Should be any minutes. That stupid baby lady's gonna pay me whatever I want.
Isa yung
To kick
papa.
him ass. I think Grandpa disappeared. Yeah, he disappeared. Oh. I won't stop talking. I think I could be cared about this one. I think this baby lady's gonna teach me a lesson. Yeah! Yeah. Wait, where's my stun gun? Maybe it disappeared without seeing anything. No, not that helicopter.
Ah, mayroon pa. Notebook mo na.
Ano?
Ang ballpen na na.
Nandito sa kwan. Blue. Taco Bell. I will check. Not the boat key.
Tawag si papa.
Ano ba?
The boat key. I said the boat key. The boat.
Saan man eh?
Not the boat key. That's the hand wheel. It's hand wheel. I was not saying anything.
Nagkaya, itubag ka niya. Siya man, tawag si Papa. Ano pa ka nagtawag?
I gotta.
Noon pa.
I'm injured. I'm injured. I'm injured. I'm injured. Oh!
Saan na
Oh! 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 Oh boy.
Sarap.
Oh!
Anong gago na na?
Granny's not finding me.
Hindi mo yan?
Oh, yeah. I wonder now. Where's Granny? Right there.
Naligo na ka?
I want to do something with it.
Naligo na ka?
Come on, Granny. Please, leave. I need this.
Ano na kuha ka pusil para ipusil ni mo si Granny.
He disappeared. He disappeared.
Ano tabang ka na? Ako may makastorya.
Mama.
Papa.
Hey, come on. Come on, Granny. Yes.
Biling.
Ah! I almost jump scared Grandpa. I almost jump scared.
Busy kayo.
Hey, hello. Nagkuhan kayo, nag-upload pa ako YouTube channel.
Nana siya YouTube channel. I-like yung YouTube channel.
Si Ken ay
May
dito
patanaw
sa
sa YouTube channel.
Ken shop.
Mura na siya si Auntie Marilo.
Manong, you eat the towel. Manong, download na ni mo.
Oh!
Sa kalsada.
The city's getting massive. Come on, I need to play Granny.
Nakadapin sa gano'n ng Lincoln.
Okay.
No, chapter
I would
3, chapter
film.
3, kuya.
I would
O, di ka ulan
would
nila.
film.
Chapter 3, kuya, you idiot.
Ow. No, don't do that again, Kara. I'm gonna
Because
eat your Taco Bell.
you lost your bag.
Yeah, it's not my fault.
Anong
It's none
dapat?
of your fault,
Kana,
Kara.
kuya.
It's none of your fault.
Please, kuya.
Bro, loud kayo.
No, I'm not begging you.
Kuya, kana daw. Destroy the puzzle and pushing Granny.
How do I mute you?
Granny.
Double tap. Oh boy. I need some reload.
Sa 4K pa lang
Reload.
mag-4K sa mo.
I need some reload. I need some reload. I'm gonna reload it.
Anong daw isa?
If you're playing hide and seek, Granny, then come here. I'm your granddad.
Break the actually wall, kuya.
Ay, pagana pa. Wala kang sikuan. Pagana ka.
Painting Granny is dead.
Wala kang cellular problem.
Manang just na to sabaan na Granny.
2 minutes. 2 minutes shot. I miss guys. Come on. Let's go escape.
Kuya,
Go
skate.
escape.
Manang kabila
Go
ka skate. Manang just.
Ayan na si Storya Kiara ba kay Oh.
Kuya,
I think
you
it
want not
disappeared.
ammo.
Ha?
Or Granny see you.
I need to find it
Saan yun?
before it's not getting something worse and worse.
Kuya, just stay.
No, not there.
Studies ako. Kaya kuan.
No, not that one. I need some escapes. I need some door. Finally, I found a door handle. About it. I'm talking about. I'm talking about it. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Susaon na naghihakot ng tanan sa puntay. Sa
Ano
mga
yun?
kuan,
Bago stuff.
higher ups ang among bibrigada.
Another plug one.
Dagan
Are you
guys
sure
na
about that?
nagpangkuhang karta.
No, not the plug one.
That
Not
the
plug one. Not the plug one. Not the plug
Are
one.
you sure about that?
Ha?
Kuya, just drop your ammo.
Ay, lagi ko ipa. Kuan ba? Kay pan.
Tawagan na sila.
One piece, kuya.
Mangampo lang ta. Masulod na.
I found a crowbar.
You can hit Granny on it.
No, I cannot hit Granny. I can only hit the gun. I can only hit Granny with the gun. No, not the gasoline.
Your gasoline is full.
Nanabito na itong kusina.
This is an engine and it's in a forester gasoline.
It's not. It's and the gasoline, huh?
So, ilang titing?
Oh!
I just scared.
I died. I
I was
doubted.
jump scared.
Wala, nagikan siya atong
I was hinagamit with the
Oh,
Merkulis.
chapter 3.
I died.
Ano ni Bimbim, naalala lang day kay Papa.
You always die,
Sila sa
kaya.
port area.
I'm always died.
Look at your blood.
I got blood in my face because of that
Dito na sa
stupid
port
grandpa.
area, i-deliver.
Because of the
Kuya,
cane of the
Louie.
Undertaker get on fire.
Just balik.
Ah,
Dito kay taas, dahil
Yeah,
lawas.
come on, boy. Come on, I need. Yes, a wire pillow.
Naning
Pillows.
pa din mo anak,
Ano?
kung kwarta. Bayad sa iyang utang.
Manong, why you died? I closed my eyes.
Yan na, naning kamo.
Manong, ayaw ride a boat. Mas grandpa.
No, don't do with that again. Don't do with that, Kiara. If I get down. Oh!
Itong Merkulis.
Ah!
You always
It's all
die.
your fault, Kiara. Granny caught me.
Grandma had to see you. Where's
Yung
Kakin?
man siyang titing o kuan, asa silang titing mga upra, di ba? Pagkuman.
Please, Granny, don't kita kuya. Please, like and subscribe yung akin.
Duty siguro sa makmak.
Please. Kasi kita si Granny. I'm gonna share.
Oh, whoa.
Si Rio.
Oh,
Pamanghoran niyang laki.
Granny almost caught me. But no choice. No choice. It's time to escape. It's time to escape. But I'm gonna own my viewers. Oh! Oh, Granny.
Just kill Granny, bro.
I cannot kill Granny. I can only kill the weapons with our entity slayers. Ay, na-record ko.
Hi, na-record si Kaya.
Hello, Papa.
Hello, Papa. Kaya, just...
Hello.
Hello.
Ma-playing ko, Granny. Ay... Ah! Grandpa's almost caught me like a villain. Granny almost caught me like a villain.
She like a cog.
He likes a cog, but I hate cogs. The cogs are
Hangad mo ka.
paste.
Mano kasi daging ng blood sa... Kuan, ma-chapter 5 na pagka...
I need.
Ano?
I'm on 21. I'm almost 21. I need to escape.
Mano, where you escape?
Hindi, may tanong sa lida.
On a boat?
Whoa! Oh,
Ha?
Grandpa not almost got me, but without
Ano sa
no
raday ka?
choice.
Grandpa is your friend.
No, he's not my friend. Well.
Bro, this is your house. This is not your house. This is only...
Oh!
This is only your
Walay ka na tulog.
not friend. Only Granny kicked your butts.
Niya pa na.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Granny almost caught me like a villain.
No, she's like a chicken. You caught
Ginawin mo
you.
anak ha. Istorya lang mo ka, mina ng papa. Istorya mo doon.
Oh! Hi, Papa.
Istorya mo doon ba? Nag-English
Hi,
mo doon.
story.
Sige.
Hi, Papa.
I almost cutting me.
Wait.
Grandpa's almost
Papa,
cutting me.
Pag-English kaya na.
Tanaw ko, Papa.
Whoa! Oh, Granny's almost cut me like a
Tanaw
villain.
lang sa papa sa inyo. Minawa
Ah.
sa
She's like a pato. Pisto.
No, 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 no.
Manong, Granny like a
I teleported, but no other way. Baby ladies, baby ladies, baby ladies, baby ladies. Baby ladies sleep. Okay, baby lady. Please. He wants some chicken nuggets. He wants some chicken nuggets. He wants some chicken nuggets. He wants some chicken nuggets.
Papa, hi. Ping. Papa.
Can hit you, Grandpa.
Manong, i-press niya mo na.
Ugh.
Yeah, headshot. Namatay si Grandpa.
Where are you, Grandpa?
Sa Kapulan kay mo.
Ay, where are you, Granny?
Itong multiplication
Pa.
tama na sa 3. Akong ginan 5, 3 ra taman.
Okay,
Granny,
you're disappear without saying anything.
Granny is passed
Okay.
away. And a month later, and a check months.
Don't talk, Yara. Come on, let's go escape. But
Just only stay if you like and subscribe.
Tiwas ako.
No.
Nanlaba
No,
ba
don't-
ko? Tiwas
don't.
ako.
no, don't do it again, Yara.
Kuya, just
Grandpa's almost got me.
Kuya, just
do
hide
it
and there and Granny not to see you.
Together, apes are together. Wow.
Mana ni Lola gani ko Granny, itago ko na naanin ako. Pasag di down ako. Ano, are you climbing on a ladder like a
Or di na na yung
butterfly?
book ba para magwapo na kay sa mo.
Okay, I need to find it. I need to find it.
Kaya wala nihi and ni box.
Ah!
Imong kwan be?
I'm almost injured.
Tanawan ako sa imong arrangement sa imong kwan.
Kuya, ang emerald.
Tanawan
You
ako sa
left
imong
it.
butanganan sa
Ayun
imong
na,
mga
nakira ko
kwan
yung
niya.
mag-escape na ta.
Escape, okay. Just escape, pero
Ah, not the helicopter menu.
there's no,
Where's the padlock key? I can't find it.
just unlock the base. If you die, I will gonna kick butts with Granny.
Kasi hindi tanong mo sa lida. Lalagyan na ga, oh, ana.
Oy! Oy!
Hindi mo tanong sa lida? Ha?
Anong just... Granny to see you again, kuya.
Don't worry. Oh! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Okay, now soon I will gonna escape next time.